This is Kent and Jake with Cleaver Farm again, and we want to introduce a new product. We've had these here less than 24 hours. They're the Stull feeder. It's a 600-pound feeder. It runs off an auger. Has an 4-inch auger. Runs off a belt drive. You hook to a 12-volt battery. It is 10-gauge stainless steel. Now, when you're putting this feeder in, it weighs 225 pounds. So either you got to have two hefty guys lifting it in, or you've got to have a tractor, and you can mount underneath. You could mount on a piece of plywood or some 2x4s so you can lift in and out with the tractor. Jake, you want to turn it on? I mean, it's quiet, it runs. The one thing is on these 12-volt feeders is you do not want to hook them to your battery on your UTV. It will fry the electrical system. That's why we have it hooked here with a battery. That's why it's got the battery clamps back here. There is a 1-year warranty on these. The dimensions, Jake, they are 30 inches this way by 43 by 39 height. These are controlled. It has a control that runs up to the cab. Very simple operation. There's not a lot to these. They're well built. They'll go through a lot of terrain. This one fits in here exactly perfect. Now, if you have a Kawasaki SIC-10 Mule, this will not fit in there, or the late model Rhinos, this will not fit in there. So if those are the two you have, this is not an option for you.